Alright, so this video I'm going to show you what you can get as far as accommodations in Playa del Carmen. I am currently on 6th Street between 20 and 25th, so I'm about 3 or 4 blocks from the beach right now, which is a 5 to 7 minute walk. And I'm currently paying $371 US dollars per month here, and it's a basic studio. You have your kitchen here, full-size fridge with a freezer, microwave, little 2-burner stove there, electric, and of course it comes with just about everything you need. I'm here by myself, so I don't need much. Front door, window, and I really like this place because it has a window on the east side and a window on the west side, so it gets pretty good airflow through here. High-speed internet. What I find in Mexico is you have really fast downloads, but as far as uploads, I haven't found a place that was decent, especially when uploading these videos to YouTube. But if the TV has Netflix and all that stuff here. Plenty of outlets. This is a king-size bed. Excuse the noise, but Playa del Carmen is growing so fast. There's always construction, but not the best view. But I don't spend too much time here. And here's the closet area. Plenty of room, storage. Again, more outlets there. The $371 per month includes everything except for electric, which is typical here. Plenty of space. Here's the bathroom here. But yeah, that's if you look around, Airbnb right now charges quite a bit of tax to the Airbnb owners, and so in turn they have to turn it around and charge you for it. And I found this actually through my first Airbnb. He owns 2 of them, and he just happened to have this one open, and I didn't go through Airbnb with this one, so that's why the price is so low. But pretty much it's a nice, clean, also there's an air conditioning. Some places here, for this kind of price, sometimes they don't have air conditioning. But yeah, the floors, they're unfinished concrete, which is like an industrial look, which I don't mind. So yeah, if you plan on coming down here, get into your place for a month and look around, because there's deals everywhere, especially if you're off 5th Avenue and further out towards 30th Avenue, 6th Street, 8th Street, 10th Street. There's deals like this to be had. And for $371, it's very reasonable. So I thought I'd just kind of share with you what kind of accommodations you can get here if you look around. But I'll make some more videos. I don't want to do too many 5th Avenue updates because not much gets done. I usually do those about every 2 or 3 weeks. So Hope you enjoy it. Till next time.